Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First off, no, that title isn't clickbait. The sun really melted the wrap on my mirrors and shrank it. It left a line of the original red around them that you may have seen in an earlier video, and the passenger side mirror cap was loose due to some snapped clips. I started by heating up the wrap before putting on a pair of fashion grey mirrors that I found on eBay for £32, about a fifth of the RRP, and once the wrap was heated up properly, it was then time to accidentally rip the mirror cap off because it was attached so poorly. This revealed that they had previously been attached using silicone sealant to remedy some of the snapped clips. So the moment I even tried to take off the wrap from the red mirror, the whole thing immediately snapped off. This locator pin, along with a couple on the inside, had been silicone sealed on, so somebody had already broken them before I bought the car, it seems. But as you can see from how close the colours are, I'm quite happy with the Hexis Shark Grey, very close match to the actual fashion grey. I then gave the new mirror caps a clay barring to make sure they were immaculate before putting them on, and decided to apply silicone sealant on the mounting points of the smaller clips so they wouldn't snap off if it got knocked like the old ones. The last job was to unwrap and clay bar the original red caps, which I'll keep in case I revert to the original spec, or if a future owner prefers the red. This was just a small update, but do subscribe to see the Blue Spark tuning box get fitted in the next couple of weeks, and as always, thanks for watching. Ciao!